Uncle Mud here, finished up for the moment with our barbacoa oven. It's like a pizza oven, only the door is really big and the mass is really big, so that we can get it hot to stay hot overnight. And when all of the coals have died down, we take off this door for burning, and we put on the door for baking. And we come around this side and we close our vent to keep the heat in. We're not going to do that right now because we just put a bunch of wood in there.
Have a good trip home.
Thank you. So we're just going to keep that going because it's still wet. So it's going to need some time to dry. And over here, we got a couple of barrel lids sitting where our ceramic Comals are going to be, the tortilla cookers, over our rocket burner. But if they want to cook a big pot of something, they can set it on that burner inside. We got that there and there. But yeah, good week's worth of work, all ready to go. Check out unclemud.com for more.